In today's video, I will show you guys how you guys can log in into your CareCredit account. So it's pretty simple because CareCredit is a bank and you have to go through some steps. If you don't know the steps, don't worry, I will show you the steps in this video. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get on with today's video. So the first thing is you just want to type CareCredit login on your search browser just like this. And once you type this, you just have to search for it. Once you search for it, you can click on the first option or the first result it shows you. Click on it. It'll take you to the official website of CareCredit. And once you're over here, you can just click on where it says login over here. Once you do that, it's going to bring you over here. Over here where it says username, just type your username in, and where it says password, enter the password of your account. Once you do that, just click on login and you should be able to log in into your account. So that's how you guys can log in into your account. And if you forgot a username or password, you can click on these two options to recover it. And if you want to create an account, you can click on register to do that. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe button to our channel. One to step. I'll see you guys next time, everybody. Bye bye until then.